Every woodworking project ends with one important decision. Which finish should you use? Some wood finishes cost just a few dollars, while others can cost 5 times more. But here's the question. Are premium wood finishes really worth the extra money, or are you just paying for the brand? Today, we're putting cheap wood finishes and premium wood finishes head to head to find out. Let's get started. First, what's the difference? Cheap finishes are designed to be affordable. They usually provide basic protection, basic color, and are widely available. Premium finishes are formulated with higher quality oils, resins, and additives that promise better durability, richer color, and easier application. Now let's compare appearance. This round goes to the premium finish. Premium products often bring out deeper grain patterns, richer colors, and a smoother, more professional-looking finish. Cheap finishes can still look good, but they often don't create the same depth and clarity. Next, durability. Premium finishes usually provide stronger protection against scratches, moisture, heat, and everyday wear. They're designed to last longer, especially on furniture used every day. Cheap finishes may need to be reapplied much sooner. Now, application. Many premium finishes spread more evenly, self-level better, and leave fewer brush marks. Some even require fewer coats. Budget finishes may work perfectly well, but often require more sanding, extra coats, or additional polishing to achieve similar results. Let's compare drying time. Some premium finishes cure faster, allowing you to complete projects sooner. Others cure slowly by design to produce an even better finish. Cheap finishes vary widely, and drying times are often less consistent. Now, coverage. Premium finishes frequently cover more area with less product. A single can often finishes more projects than you might expect. Cheap finishes sometimes require additional coats, which increases total material usage. Now let's talk about cost. This is where cheap finishes win. They're much easier on your wallet. If you're building simple shop furniture, garage shelves, or beginner projects, a budget finish may be all you need. But if you're building a dining table, custom cabinets, or furniture for clients, premium finishes often pay for themselves through appearance and durability. Now, best uses. Choose cheap finishes for practice projects, shop furniture, temporary builds, or budget-friendly DIY work. Choose premium finishes for high-end furniture, kitchen tables, custom woodworking, or projects where appearance really matters. So, which one wins? If your priority is saving money, cheap finishes provide excellent value. But if you want maximum durability, better protection, and a truly professional appearance, premium finishes are well worth the investment. The truth is, many experienced woodworkers use both. They save premium finishes for important furniture, and use budget finishes on workshop projects. Now I'd like to hear from you. Would you rather buy 1 premium finish, or 3 budget finishes? Tell us your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to subscribe for more woodworking buying guides, tool comparisons, finishing tips, and practical woodworking advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.